Hi friends, Simit here from InformedTrades.com. Today's May 28, 2014. Time for our daily Forex chart review. Excuse me. Basically, in these sessions each day, I share the trades I'm placing, adjustments to existing positions that I have on in the market. All as part of helping traders learn. You can learn from my successes, learn from my mistakes, so you can sort of learn together. That's the basic idea. Of course, a lot of the information I'm presenting may be unfamiliar to you, or may be covering a specific style of trading that is not to your liking or not to your familiarity. We have a lot more on InformedTrades.com. Check it out. Share your knowledge. Register as a member. Set up a practice trading account. Share your trades. We can all learn together. Let's get started with a look at the charts. Okay. Now, the first chart I want to take a look at today is a trade that an order I talked about yesterday that got filled and it got stopped out for a loss. Just want to review that trade. Euro Kiwi. Okay, there we go. So it peaked above this stop loss, and the logic I still found to be sufficiently compelling. I thought this was the bearish checkmate, reversal candlestick at resistance in the context of a downtrend, 50 simple moving average at a 50% Fibonacci you're tracing from this swing high to this swing low. So the evidence was there. It just didn't work out. With any trading methodology, it's not really prudent to count on it working 100% of the time. So you do need to know, you want to find something that it's going to work in general, but you're not going to win on every trade, which is why risk management is so important. So this is an instance where I think the trade logic was sound, but the trade just didn't work out. So just thought I'd review that and share that. Now let's go to gold. Now, gold had a big down day yesterday, and we broke out of, yes, here we go, this rectangle, which was the major trading range. Now that gold closed below this, I think you could make an argument that we might be headed down to 1180. So we'll see. I do think technically that's a pretty solid argument. Another retest of 1180. We'll see. In terms of the bulls, the situation is the same. It's gonna be hard to really get a lot of momentum and really confirm that we're on the way up until we can close above the 200 exponential moving average and the 50 simple moving average. So we really still have to get above 1320. Let's actually check out silver as well. Silver also had a big down day, but to put it in relative context, let's see what the gold-silver ratio, whether there was a difference in that yesterday. I mistyped this. SI. Okay, so the gold-silver ratio moved down significantly yesterday, and let's actually view this as a line chart. Here's the black line. Well, I guess maybe it makes sense to view it as the candle. A big move, a big move up, excuse me. A big move up in the gold-silver ratio. So that shows that silver was more volatile and declined more than gold did. However, we still are below the recent highs we made in the gold-silver ratio. So this might be an instance to, one way of trading this, or if you're thinking about it, is, shorting gold, long silver. If this is really the top in the gold-silver ratio, shorting gold, long silver might be an interesting way of making a trade that hedges you a bit to metals volatility, or it eliminates some of the directional risk. You don't really have to speculate whether gold and silver are going to go up or down. What you're speculating is that silver will appreciate more than gold does, and that seems like it could be in the process now. Let's take a look at it from candlesticks. But either way, I'm just looking at it mainly from the perspective of gold, and I'm considerably less interested in silver. I have some silver. I won't be buying any more. But I will be buying more of gold Um, and I'll definitely be. I think this could be a good buying opportunity. To me, anything below 1280 here is a really nice buying opportunity. So if we go down to 1180, that's a really nice buying opportunity. Okay, so that's gold. Let's take another quick Bitcoin, which is something I want to get in the habit of checking out. The Bitcoin US dollar exchange rate. Oh, let's use Bitstamp. Here we go. Okay, so we had that big breakout, and I got long right here. We had, or no, I got long right here, and we had that breakout. And now it looks like we might be retracing a little bit. We are above the 200 exponential moving average, a 50 simple moving average, so that's reassuring. Nothing really new there, although this looks like, I guess one thing that might be interesting is adding a Fibonacci retracement. This is an example of one I do like to look at Fibonacci retracements. We have a swing low here, or a major turning point here, you could say. And here, if this is the swing high, now if we're looking to buy the dip, we might want to come back to 200 exponential moving average right around here between, what's this level? Right around 507 and 522 could be an interesting level potentially to buy at. Okay. So those are the non-Forex trades, or I guess Bitcoin is sort of a Forex trade. Let me get my Forex trading account up here. Now, right now, I have 4 trades on, and that I'm not counting that Euro Kiwi trade that got canceled, or that got stopped out, excuse me. Let's take a look at those trades that I have on at the moment. First up is Canada Swiss, and this trade is at break even. So far, so good on Canada Swiss. Just a matter of waiting. You know, it's getting close to the profit target, which is always nice. And let's see if we can hit that. Really, nothing else to do. The stop is already at break even. Related to this is my dollar Canada trade, which is I'm short dollar Canada, which means I'm long the Canadian dollar. Now I did move my stop to break even. So I moved my stop from here to here. And then this may have been premature, but we got a doji yesterday at the support level, and today's candle is looking really small. So we are looking at a potential reversal. In general, if the market is going to reverse off this support level, I kind of want to protect myself from potential losses. So I did move it, my stop to break even on that one. You know, ideal situation, price would close at or below before I move to break even, but right here I think this is a pretty sufficient. The basic idea is, you know, price is testing this level, and I want to move to break even in case it's not able to make it through. So that's dollar Canada. Next up is Aussie yen, and of course, InformedTrades.com/Japan. We have a whole bunch of information on the fundamentals behind the yen. Personally, I'm very bearish on the yen in the long term, and I'm looking for opportunities to short the yen, get in, and build as large of a position as I safely can to short the yen and really ride that out. So, dollar yen did retrace quite a bit today overnight. However, you notice it did close at or above this, just barely closed above this orange line, which is the resistance level that I watched and move my position to break even. So this is another position that I've moved to break even. And from now, it's just a matter of waiting. Pound yen. Now, pound yen, this is not looking as encouraging. I was tempted to move this to break even also, but I think I'll hold off on that for now. We'll see. I'll leave my stop where it is. Actually, you know what? I am going to move this to break even as well. And if I have to re-enter, I'm starting to be, because it is respecting this resistance level, and this is a minor change in my trading. If you've been watching my trading, this is a minor change I'm making. You know, basically, if it's showing signs that it's going to fail at this resistance level, I'm going to move to break even to protect myself from the downside. So basically, I've moved all my trades now are at break even. I've de-risked everything. Um, that's that's fine, I think. That leaves me opportunities to pursue other trades. I wanted to put on one thing for Aussie duck. This order is not yet filled, but it's very close to being filled. Okay. Ooh, it came very, very close today. I must have missed that by just a pip or two. Right now, the market is okay. Yeah, right now there's about 17 pips here between where the market is and where my entry order is. It came closer, very close before, but it just missed it. So I have an order to go long here at this level. My target profit here is my stop loss. That's the only order I have on at the moment. Other than that, my account is de-risked, and I'll be on the lookout for more opportunities. That's about it for my trading today. Any questions you have, anything you want to add, join us at InformedTrades.com. Best of luck in your trading, and we will see you tomorrow. Take care.